It's getting harder and harder to service my TJ. Parts are getting hard to find. If you drive a TJ, you've probably seen this as well. The temp control cable stiffens up, it's just wore out, and it will no longer control the temp door. And while in the winter, that's a real problem because you need heat, and if you leave it in heat in the summer, this thing will cook you out of here. So it's time to get this fixed. Now I've been looking for months and this cable is just not available. So I got to figure something out. I've looked all over the place and the cable is just not available. I've seen a couple used ones, but every Jeep that I've tried out, these things are seized. They just don't work. I'm pretty sure that buying a used one off someone, I'd just be installing the same problem. So I did try a throttle cable from a lawnmower. Well, the cable is just too flimsy. That didn't work at all. And the closest thing I can find is a choke cable that at least has some strength to it that matches the original cable. And of course the original cable bent and now it's weak and it just keeps bending right here. It's gonna take some modifying. So my plan is to make that choke cable fit. It's gonna take making some brackets, doing some modification, but I also don't want to wreck the existing heater control just in case I do find a cable at some point. And by the way, if you know where to find one, please give me that information in the description below. I'd love to hunt one down. I would still prefer for the original control to work properly. The plan is to just put zip ties through the holes and that'll secure it to the existing bracket and hold it in place. This should work just fine. So of course I made this bracket before I decided to make this video. So the bracket is already made. But quite simply, just a piece of aluminum, drilled a hole, bent the bracket. That'll provide a mounting point for the cable. So like everything else, you design as you go, and this bracket turned out didn't quite have enough adjustment. So I made it a little bit longer and that worked really well. So it's not pretty, but it's functional. I can push it in for cold, pull it back out for heat, and it stays there. So this will work. But I didn't really want to drill any holes in the dash that would be permanent. I do have some screw holes here that if I do remove it, if I do find that cable, I can remove this guy, and I just have a couple of little holes to deal with. I can easily reach it from the driver's seat and it's not in the way of anything. This will work even if it's only temporary. It seems that these TJs are getting more and more difficult to source parts for. Just like this inner axle where the U-joint came apart on our last trip, and I wasn't stopping anywhere to get this fixed because, well, we were heading to the hospital that night. So I knew the Jeep was going to pay the price for that. That inner axle proved difficult to find also, but I did locate one. These TJs are getting more and more difficult to source parts for. But that's okay, you just got to get creative.